2025.
Five, four, three, two, one. Happy New Year!
Because it's all LED. Hey guys, we're outside One Times Square. I'm gonna check out the New Year's Eve ball drop test. They have a new design of the crystals this year. It's gonna be extra good. Because One Times Square is under construction, we're gonna be required to wear hard hats. I'm gonna be taking the construction elevator. We're going up to the roof now. Floor 22. Hello.
And then my colleague will be right there to direct you to the ball.
Okay, so this is a bit different from last year. That's 42nd Street, by the way down there. That's what's
Yes, 42nd Street.
Look at that view there.
Wow.
One of my viewers.
Wow, look at that, guys.
You just have the booth chairs right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God. Guys, here it is. Wow.
They're about to start, so we're going to have you guys come in this way, please. Come over here.
One Times Square to test the iconic New Year's Eve ball. As this Broadway show has rehearsals, we want to make sure everything is set, and we want to test the star of the show, the New Year's Eve ball. I'm really honored to have you here. First of all, get ready for the big event. We're going to need all your help. The countdown, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready.
Let's go. Here we go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
And there it goes. It's rising up, guys.
2025 is going to happen.
The ball is a geodesic sphere, 12 feet in diameter and weighs 11,875 pounds. The ball is covered with a total of 2,688 crystal triangles that vary in size and range in length from 4 3/4 inches to 5 3/4 inches per side. Each crystal triangle showcases one of the 2 new special sparkling patterns that decorate the ball. The One Times Square crystal design features long linear cuts with a circle near the top, representing the 135-foot pole and the iconic building famous for the ball drop that welcomes the beginning of each new year. The thinner refractive cuts radiating from the circle are enhanced by the underlying colorful LEDs showcasing the kaleidoscopic lighting effects of the ball. The ever crystal design consists of 3 pairs of interlocking rings surrounded by diamond facets that provide the setting for the letter E. The sparkling jewel pattern symbolizes the unity, and the E highlights ever, which is the new destination for vow ceremonies opening in 2025 at One Times Square. The 2,688 crystal triangles are bolted to 672 LED modules, which are attached to the aluminum frame of the ball. The first New Year's Eve ball lowering celebration atop One Times Square was in 1907. This proud tradition is now a universal symbol of the new year. The New Year's Eve ball is the property of the building owners of One Times Square, and the first Times Square New Year's Eve celebration was held in 1904. 7 versions of the ball have been designed to signal the new year. The first ball was made of iron and wood and weighed 700 pounds and was covered with 100 light bulbs. In 1920, a 400-pound iron ball replaced the iron and wood ball. And in 1955, a 150-pound aluminum ball with 180 light bulbs replaced the iron ball. In 1995, the aluminum ball was upgraded with aluminum skin, rhinestones, and computer controls. In 1999, the crystal New Year's Eve ball was created to welcome the new millennium. And in 2007, modern LED technology replaced the light bulbs of the past for the 100th anniversary of the New Year's Eve ball. Wow. Guys, it worked. An excellent test.
Thank you.
Oh, looks amazing, guys, doesn't it? How much are you loving it? And there's 2 new designs this year. You can see some of the new designs. You get a look at that.
And please be careful and don't slip this.
Doesn't it look amazing, guys? Guys, these are some of the views as we're waiting to get to the ball up close. Look at that. Do not cut. Do not cut New Year's Eve broadcast cable. Do not cut that, guys. See the different colors changing because it's all LED modules underneath the crystals. Guys, look at that. Let me zoom in. Look at the view from up here. And here's the 2025, the back side of it. 2025.
Alright, so we're gonna have to make our way out. Take care, Karla.
Oh, thank you.
so much,
Thank
guys.
you so much. Guys, look at some of the views. You can see Bryant Park down that way. Look at that, guys. Just to show you a little bit of the construction here at 1 Times Square. Here's a little sneak peek of the observation deck, 1 Times Square. Guys, by tomorrow night, this street will be filled with spectators waiting for the ball to drop. Amazing. The countdown to 2025.